Welcome to day 10. I'm actually at a Tesla Supercharger right now. I'm parked at the very end to try to be as courteous as I can so that I'm not in the way. Since I have to charge parking forward and to the left, while most chargers for Tesla are parked backwards to the left. So as of right now, I'm not blocking any of the stalls for any of the Teslas. There are a few things around this superchargers. It's really nice if you are charging. You can grab some Starbucks, and there's a Target right across the parking lot, and a Best Buy and Marshalls and stuff like that. So there's a little shopping center right here. Right now I'm at 26%. We were at 20%, so it's fairly fast. It's already 6% in like 5 minutes. So that's pretty good. I'm just gonna get it to around 85%. That should be good for the day. We're gonna go to Manoma Falls, hang out there for a little bit, do a little hike, then go grab some lunch. And then after lunch, we'll probably go visit a Japanese garden here in town. I shouldn't need to charge again. I'll probably need to charge again later tonight just to get ready for the drive tomorrow to Boise, Idaho. Finished charging and I had to stop by a coffee shop, so I decided to stop by Symphony Coffee House. It's a pretty nice little coffee shop. Just got some black coffee and it's really good. Really nice place, really nice people, and some really good coffee. So if you're ever in the Beaverton area or Portland area, give Symphony Coffee House a try. Welcome to Manoma Falls. It was a beautiful place to kind of visit and take the family. The kids had a lot of fun here. They ran around at the base of the waterfall for quite a while. We also tried to get to the top of the falls. It's a very short hike. As you can see here, it's only a mile to the top of the falls. So once you get to the bridge in Manoma Falls, you can see that there's a lot of people kind of taking pictures around here. We also took some pictures as well. And if you want to, you can kind of look over the bridge a little bit on both sides. It is a little bit nerve-wracking if you're scared of heights. We pretty much stopped around this area here. My son kind of got scared a little bit. He felt like it was too high up. Then we started heading back to downtown Portland to have some lunch at Doughzone. It was a really good dumplings place right next to the river as well. After lunch, we just hung out and let the kids run around this garden that was right next to the restaurant. I did say earlier that we were going to go to the Japanese garden. I was wrong. It was the International Rose Garden. The Japanese garden is right next door to the International Rose Garden. There is an entry fee for it, so we decided to go to the free garden instead. There was an amphitheater right in the middle of the Rose Garden. My kids and I pretty much hung out around this area for most of the time while my wife and her friend walked around the Rose Garden. And behind the amphitheater, or backstage of the amphitheater, there was orchard trees that with a pathway, and then right next to the stage there's this kind of opening in the trees. So my sons, they had lots of fun pretending that it was their own little tree house and fort and everything like that. So really nice place to hang out. After the Rose Garden, we went to BGs Food Cartel. It's a really nice little food truck area. Unfortunately, half the trucks weren't open when we came that day. They also had a really nice bar tucked away in the back. I had one beer, and you'll notice that here in a bit. So check it out if you're in the Portland area. All right, we are back at this morning's Tesla charger. You can see there's some Teslas behind me. I'm just charging up for tomorrow's drive to Boise. I'll probably get to 85 or 90% so that we have enough to drive to our first charging destination and then I'm gonna head back to the hotel, get some rest, and then we're gonna have about 9-hour drive tomorrow. So not too long, but this is probably one of our shorter drives. Then the next day is Boise to Denver, which is going to be the second longest drive that we had. It should be around 16 hours, just almost 17. It's going to be about as long as the first drive that we had on this trip from Oklahoma to Flagstaff, which was supposed to take about 17 hours, but it realistically took more like 18 hours. But that was just from us taking our time and charging a little bit extra. It'll be probably about the same for Boise to Denver. With that, thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe to Gas and Watts and like the video, and I'll see you tomorrow.